Welcome to the surfers' destination and Mecca, Cool Bay. It's not so cool, it's False Bay in the Western Cape on the the Indian Ocean side. I keep getting that wrong. But yep, we're heading along the beach there, and the water is only about 20 degrees in summer. It's not too cold, not too hot, just right. On the left, we're coming up to the once lovely Kuhubai resort. What they've resorted to now is complete abandonment along this side of the coast. No maintenance has resulted in a devastated, failed system here. Yeah, water, electricity, power, nothing works. Everything leaks. Very sad because it was a very beautiful sight, including the tidal pools and other public services have been shut down. That down there is a leaky, failed, no longer working system. Looks nice when there's no one around, I suppose, doesn't it? The problem dates back to September of 2023 when it rained, and we couldn't solve that problem. The costs to repair in 2023-24 were to be 1.5 million rand in repairs. It's now 2026. I'm just wondering how many millions would have been made by those supporting the system had tourists been given access to the place and it became a public destination rather than, well, a public embarrassment really. So, in short, it's not one single incident, but a multi-year saga, a 2023 storm damage that proved more extensive than expected, a brief reopening that failed due to water and sanitation problems, and repairs that are still incomplete. I say under hesitation as I've never seen any action there, but nonetheless, the repairs that are still incomplete as of the most recent reporting, that's December of last year, 2025. There's no confirmed reopening planned or scheduled as yet, or probably ever. Sorry folks.
No place to go, so here in my room I stay. I don't know that I could forget you, no matter how hard I try. I'm